Alright, we're here with the Atlas 8 dry fire target system. This first menu you see is the kind of the quick menu. You got 4 options. There are more than 4 modes, but this is your initial 4. And as you see where I'm training with it, it's kind of close to me, but this is really just for, camera fell, sorry, stupid mount. This is really for your benefit, so you can actually see the target, what it says and what it does. It may be harder on a small screen. So I'm a little closer than normal. Alright. So we'll start with the green one here. Accuracy. Now this one is just for a general accuracy practice. It starts as a big target, changes shape, changes form. Fix the camera because camera angles are important. And eventually it's going to get so small it's almost impossible to hit. Pass. Admittedly, at longer ranges, this is a bit harder, but I'm standing a table length apart from it. It's pretty easy. So let's do the red one. Reaction. Now I'm going to holster my pistol. Oh, we gotta get my shirt out of my holster. And it's going to go beep, and it's going to show me a target, and I'm going to shoot it. And it's going to give me the time. So 1.285. I think I do this twice before it'll reset automatically. So you get the general idea. That one's one of my favorite modes for basic training, especially for reaction drills and draw practice. Okay, so the heat map in the quick menu is a little messed up. I like going to the manual menu because it lasts longer. On this one, it only let me get a few shots off before it'll just automatically reset. Now, as you see, as I hit an area, it changes color. So you can practice making really small groups. So once you get red, see how it resets so fast? If you go the manual way, it'll just stay on there until you fill it up, basically. Alright, so this is the memory game, which is pretty fun. This one's great for new shooters because it entertains them. So you see the 3 colors. So green, purple, yellow. So I got to shoot those 3 colors. Sorry. I'm not sure why it auto reset there. So memory game. Let's try this again. I think I pulled the trigger. So, and if you fail it, it'll tell you, hey, you fail. Now these are, like I said, these are the quick menu modes. There is another menu. So you can do the manual menu, which is just pushing this button here. This button here will go back after you push this button the first time, and this lowers and makes the system brighter. So let's turn that down a little bit. This is reaction, this is accuracy, this is the memory game, and this is shoot or no shoot. This one's kind of cool. So that's the frowny face. That's the guy you gotta shoot. But it's gonna have 2 other faces too. So now when it comes up like this, it gives you a second to get into position. So the game's not gonna start until I shoot that. Oh, don't shoot this guy. If you shoot this guy, you fail. Excuse me. Allergies are killing me today. Don't shoot this guy. This guy's neutral. Pass. Pretty simple, right? Let's see if I can get it to let me shoot the actual bad guy. Oh, never mind. It auto reset. Let's me do it again and again. Like I said, I kind of like the manual menu better because it stays on longer and it lets me just keep playing. So if it doesn't show me the bad guy on this one, we'll move on. See, that's a neutral guy. So this is what happens if you shoot any of the neutral or happy targets. Fail. No. Alright, so now you hit this button to turn back to your menu. I think this is reaction, right? No, this is the reload. Alright. So the reload one's kind of tricky, so because I don't have an extra mag on me. So basically, I'll put this in my pocket. Now it's going to give me some shots to tell me to shoot. And it seems to be randomized. Now I'm supposed to reload. So reload. Now it started the timer. So my reload says there 3.849 seconds. If you get the SIRT pistol with a tier 2 kit, this will actually accept any Glock mag. You can just put a Glock mag in there, it'll stay. The downside, it doesn't cycle, so you can't get that part of the training. Laser ammo cartridges will work with your regular gun, but they can be tricky to reload because the slide will lock open. That's the heat map. This is my favorite. This is the multi. There's 2 modes to multi. If I press enter on the first mode, it's going to give me a display like this and tell me to shoot it 3 times. Now if I hold enter down, it goes into a more difficult random mode. Let me see if I did it that time. I might not have held it down long enough before I let it go. Let's see. Alright, so it didn't tell me how many shots I have to take, so it's random. So 4. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 0 through 9, or 1 through 9 is how many shots you have to take. And again, I'm just kind of... So 4 again. So you get the idea. This mode's really good for, this is what we use for the force on force training in the video. We strapped it to a plate carrier. Alright, this mode requires 2 of the target systems. Now, in the pictures you'll see I have 2, but one is actually a prototype. The gray one's a prototype, and this is the finished product. So they don't interact with each other. But if you have 2 of these, you can do a dueling tree, whereas one will be red and one will be green, and you alternate shooting them. And I think you can use up to 6 targets. I could be wrong on there. But you can make the targets interact with each other for a fun little game. So that's it. That's the Atlas 8. I hope you guys enjoyed my review. If you have any questions, leave them below.